your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome to this week's weigh-in update. I didn't film Friday, as you know. I was poorly. Yesterday I went to have my hair done, so I didn't film yesterday. Sorry, not very good at this, am I? So anyway, we had chips and gravy. Yes, I had chips and gravy yesterday, so I was completely off plan because I've not really eaten a lot in the last, especially Thursday, Friday, because I was poorly. So Saturday kind of started feeling a little bit better. Went to have my hair done because I was booked in anyway. Had chips and gravy for tea, which obviously would have been out of plan. Today not really had that much. So I had a sausage sandwich this morning, and that was a Linda McCartney, 0 sins, just one for the butter, and the bread was for my healthy option B. So yeah, and I kind of didn't eat half of it anyway. So what else have I had? And I've had a packet of square crisps, which is 4. So I'm counting that's 5 sins today. That's all. We're having a jacket potato for tea with some veg and a pulled pork burger. So they're 1 sin. And then I'm gonna dish out my portion of cheese, which is 40 grams of low fat cheese. So that won't be any. So it'll be 1 sin for tea. So I'm doing really well, to be honest. Things are feeling a little bit baggy, actually. I've got a pair of trackies on today because I'm chilling, but yeah, I kind of look pale. I've got a new foundation as well, and I've got the red lipstick on because I was just filming another video, but I've got the new foundation. Now it gives me a nice complexion, I've got to say, but I am so white, it's untrue. Yeah, not really. Sorry, I'm not looking at you, am I? Not really liking the whiteness, and I suppose the lipstick doesn't help, does it? So yeah, don't know. I think I need some fake tan. I keep saying this, but I never get around to it. I've been too busy. Been too busy being poorly, and then too busy finishing off my bathroom, which is another video. Anyway, never saying that, you know, I'm always bloody busy. So yeah, still seem to be on plan. So hopefully Thursday I'll be picking up my half stone award, because technically I should have got it this week. And obviously I think I've gone over the half stone now anyway. So I should be picking that up Thursday. So Sam's on late, so it's just cooking for myself. And then next week's I'm cooking for myself too, because Sam's away for the week with work. So lots of weeks of evenings where I'm on my own. So yeah, fun times. So I can at least get some videos done. Yeah, I could get some more decorating done. But yeah, I kind of miss him a little bit. So yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling. Hi guys, it is Tuesday today. Sorry, let me just focus you. Sorry I didn't check in yesterday. I fully intentionally was meant to. I intended to, but I didn't. But nothing much to tell yesterday. I was completely on plan, and I just had a pulled pork burger, jacket potato for tea, and today I've been pretty good. So I had one thing this morning, which was some linseed on my breakfast. Had the general Weetabix. I know I said I was going to switch it up, but I haven't done. And then I had a really low fat soup, which was 2, and I had a high fibre, which was 3, so that's 6. And then tonight I've been out with my friend Sarah for food, so I had a starter, which I used the rest of my sins on, which was some baked mushrooms. It had a little bit of cheese on it, and it looked a little bit greasy, so I'm hoping the rest of the sins would have covered that. I had Diet Coke, and then I had a pasta arrabbiata without any cheese. So it was just pasta, a tomato based sauce obviously, and some chicken in it, and that's all I had. So I'm hoping the remainder of the sins covered everything that I had. So obviously I'm just got back now, and it's 9:15, so I'm gonna have a bath and chill, to be honest, because it's work again in the morning. So yeah, I'll touch base with you tomorrow because it's day before weigh-in, and my stomach is still a little bit off. I don't know, I've got a bit of stomach ache, not sure why. Yeah, not been great, is it? I think I need to go to doctors. I keep saying this, but I do need to go, I think. So anyway, I'll touch base with you tomorrow. See you soon. Hi guys, it is Thursday. It's been weighing today and I'm pleased to say that I lost 2.5 pounds this week. That takes me so far to a weight loss of 8.5 pounds. So I actually got my my half stone certificate. So I'm really happy with that. So yeah, so here's to the next half stone so I can make it a whole stone. How brilliant would that be? So I'm really obviously in an amazing mood. I'm sorry I didn't film yesterday either. I've been a bit rubbish this week, but yeah, I'm so happy. So yeah, here's onwards and upwards. But I am actually thinking, because I do struggle to get to Wayne on Thursdays, and I'm thinking about going and joining the online. I think I can transfer my account online, so I'm going to do a little bit of research, see if that's something I can do. It'll make it so much easier for me to do weigh-in if I can do the online. But so happy. Yeah, so there's nothing else to say really. I'm just had a really healthy tea. I just made that pasta bake that I made the other week, which was really nice. I just used one of my healthy option A's, some cheese, just for the cheese on the top, and the rest was completely sin free. So I've got a little bit left over for my lunch tomorrow, so at least I don't have to go out. Yeah, so all brilliant. So yeah, if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.